Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 6 years. In this video, I would like to teach you Chapter 3, Playing with Numbers. This is the part 2 video on playing with numbers. In this video, we are going to learn factors, prime and composite number, twin primes, co-primes, prime factorization, methods of prime factorization. They are division method, factor tree method, and common factors. Let us learn one by one. First, factors. What are factors? All numbers which divide given number exactly are called factors. Another name for factors is divisors. This is the very important topic in competitive exam and academic exam. That's why we have to learn and practice to remember. Let us see one example. Factors of 12. Factors of 12. To find factors, we have to do this process. 1 is a factor of every number. That's why 1 12s are 12. After 1, 2 also divide this 12. 2 6 are 12. Next, after 2, 3 also divide. 3 4s are 12. So, no more to write here. So, that's why I stop it and write up to down, down to up. Therefore, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Total, it has 6 factors. Here we have a very important table to learn and practice. Let us see. Number, its factors, number of factors. 1 is divisible by 1 only. So, 1 has only one factor. 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. So, it has 2 factors. 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. So, it has 2 factors. 4 is divisible by 1, 2, 4. So, it has 3 factors. 5 is divisible by 1, 5 only. So, it is divisible by, it has 2 factors. 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6. So, it has 4 factors. 7 is divisible by 1, 7, 2 factors. 8 is divisible by 1, 2, 4, 8. It has 4 factors. 9, 1, 3, 9. 3 factors. 10 is divisible by 1, 2, 5, 10. So, it has 4 factors. 11 is divisible by 1 and 11 only. So, 2 factors. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So, it has 6 factors. 13, 1, 13. 14, 1, 2, 7, 14. 4 factors. 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. 4 factors. 16, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. It has 5 factors. 17, divisible by 1 and 17 only. 2 factors. Next 18, it is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So it has 6 factors. 19, 1, 19 only. 2 factors. 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So it has 6 factors. Without doing any process, we can write. We have to write these factors. Here we have some properties. By observing this chart, we can understand the properties. 1 is a factor of every number. Properties of factors. One is a factor of every number, we can understood. This is the smallest factor of these numbers. 1 is a factor of every number and it is a smallest factor. Next, factor of 1, 1, factor of 2, 2, factor of 3, 3, 4 as 4 have 4 as a factor, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. Like this, every number is a factor of itself. 20, 20, 19, 19, like this. So every number is a factor of itself. Every number. Every number is a factor of itself. And also it is largest factor of that number. This is the largest one. Next, factors are countable. We have counted here. It has 1, it has 2, like this we counted. So factors are limited, countable. So we can count. Factors are countable. Factors of number are less than the given number or equal to the given number. These are less than the given number. This last one is the equal to the given number. Factors of a number except that number are less than the number. So factors are less than the given number except that. These are properties. Without doing any process, we can identify, we can write factors for smaller numbers like this. But how can we write for largest numbers, large numbers? Here we have a method. Find factors, find all factors of 72. One is a factor of every number, so that's why we can take 1, 7 to the 72. Next, it is an even number, so we can take 2, 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. So like this we can test. 2 3s are 6, 2 1 remainder, 2 6 are 12, like that. Next, sum of the digits 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2, 72. 7 plus 2, 9. So it is exactly divisible by 3. So 3 twos are, like this we can check. 3 twos are 6, 1 remainder, 3 fours are 12. So 3 24s are. Next, 4 ones are 4. Like this we can check short division. Last two digits. 4 ones are 4, 3, 4 eights are 32. So it is divisible by 4 also. 0 remainder. So 4, this is the quotient. 4 18s are 4 after 5. So it doesn't have 0 or 5 in units place. That's why not divisible by 5. 5 after 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. That's so here we observing it is divisible by 2 and 3. So that's why it is also divisible by 6. 6 72. 6 ones are 1 remainder, 6 twos are 6 12s are 6 after 7. It is not divisible by 7. 7 tens are 70 only. 7 11s are 77. So not divisible. 8 so 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72. So these are very near, no number between these numbers. So that's why we can write up to down, down to up. These are factors. Therefore, factors of 72 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 twos are 12. 72 as 12 factors. So this is the method of finding for large numbers. Next, prime and composite number. What is a prime number? The number which have only two factors is called a prime number. We can understood from this table, this factors table. 1 is a factor of 1 only. It has only 1. So that's why this is not a prime number. Next, 2 has only 2 factors. So this is a prime number. 3 has only 2 factors. So this is also prime number. 5 has only 2 factors. So this is also prime number. 2, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So up to 20. These are primes from 1 to 20. 2 has only 2 factors. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These have only 2 factors. 1 and itself. 1 and itself. So that's why these are primes. Next, what are composite numbers? What is a composite number? The number which has more than 2 factors is called a composite number. In this, it has only 1 factor. So 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. After this, 4 has 3 factors, 6 has 4 factors, 8 has 4 factors, 9 has 3 factors, 10 4 factors, 12 6 factors, 14 15 16 18 20. So these have more than 2 factors. That's why these are 4 6 8 9 10 12 14 15 16 18 20. Primes are 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 up to 20. These are up to 20 prime numbers. These are up to 20 composite numbers. These have only 2 factors, these have more than 2 factors. One is neither a prime nor a composite number. One is neither a prime nor a composite number. Because it has only one factor. Without actually checking the factors of a number, we can find prime numbers from 1 to 100 with an easy method. This method was given by the Greek mathematician Eratosthenes in 3rd century BC. Now let us see the method. List all the numbers from 1 to 100 as shown here. Step 1. Cut out 1 because 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. Step 2. Encircle 2 and cross out all the other multiples of 2, that is 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24 26 28 30 32 34 36 38 40 42 44 46 48 50 52 54 56 58 60 62 64 66 68 70 72 74 76 78 80 82 84 86 88 90 92 94 96 98 100. Step 3. You will find out that the next uncrossed number is 3. Encircle this 3 and cross out all the other multiples of 3. 6 9 12 15 18 21 24 27 30 33 36 39 42 45 48 51 54 57 60 63 66 69 72 75 78 81 84 87 90 93 96 99. Next Step 4. The next uncrossed number is 5. So encircle this 5 and cross out all the other multiples of 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Step 5. Continue this process till all the numbers in the list either encircled or crossed out. So next uncrossed number is 7. So encircle it and cross out all the other multiples of 7. 7 after 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, 98. The next uncrossed number is 11. So encircle and if there is any multiples of 11 we can cross out, but if we observe no multiples of 11, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. So next 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. All the encircled numbers from 1 to 100, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97 are prime numbers. All the numbers crossed out, all the crossed out numbers other than 1 are composite numbers. Let us list out prime numbers from 1 to 100. From prime numbers from 1 to 10, 2, 3, 5, 7, 4, 11 to 20, 11, 13, 17, 19, 4, 23, 29, 2, 31, 37, 2, 41, 43, 47, 3, 53, 59, 2, 61, 67, 2, 71, 73, 79, 3, 83, 89, 2, 97, 1, 4, 8, 10, 12, 15, 17, 19, 20, 2, 24, 25. Prime numbers from 1 to 100, total 25. Next, twin primes. Pairs of two primes whose difference is 2 are called twin primes. Let us see twin primes from this prime numbers chart. Example 3, 5. The difference of these numbers is 5 minus 3, 2. So this is a twin prime 3, 5, and also 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 20, 29, 31, 29, 31, 41, 43, 59, 61, 71, 73. These are twin primes from below 100, between 1 and 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 twin primes below 100. Co-primes are relative primes. The numbers which have one only common factor are called co-primes. Another name for co-primes is relative primes. Let us say few examples. 8 and 9 are co-primes because factors of 8 are 1 to 48. Factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. Common factor is 1 only. Therefore 8 and 9 are co-primes. Five, 7 are co-primes. Because all primes are co-primes. They have one only common factor. All primes have one only common factor. So that's why all primes are co-primes. But all co-primes are may or may not be primes. So the best example is here only. 8 and 9 are co-primes, but they aren't primes. Prime factorization. The factorization in which every factor is a prime is called prime factorization. Example, 72. Factorize 72 into product of primes. 72. 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 9s are 3 3s are. So 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So in this factorization, every factor is a prime number. So this is called methods of prime factorization. There are two methods to find prime factors. They are first one, division method. Second one, factor tree method. Factor tree method. Let us see division method. Example, prime factorization of 42 by using division method. In this division method, the procedure is first take the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number, and divide the given number. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. We have to continue this division till we get a prime number. 3 7s are 21. So 42 we got prime number. So we stop it. 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. So this is the division method. Let us say factor tree method. Example, prime factorization of 60 by using factor tree method. In this method, we have to write this given number and take the smallest prime number like this, and 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0. This is prime number. Circle, encircle for this. This is a composite number. Again take a smallest prime number for this. 2 15s are. This is composite number. Again continue like this, smallest to largest prime. After not a common prime for this 15, 3 5s are. 5 is also prime number. So when we get a prime number, then we have to stop. So for 60 is equal to, we have to write all these encircled numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This is the factor tree method for finding prime factorization. Common factors. The numbers which are factors of 2 or more numbers are called common factors. Let us say one example. common factors. Common factors of 12 and 18. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So, common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. These are called, this 1, 2, 3, 6 are common for this 12 and 18. So these are called common factors. 1, 2, 3, 6. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe and press the bell icon. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.